Bàbá Tinubu, ẹ wá. Tí wọ́n bá jẹ́ kí ẹ continue after your 4 years. Àbí wọ́n jẹ́ kẹ́ continue, wọ́n jẹ́ kẹ́ parí, bóyá ẹ lọ 6, àbẹ́ kan tí ẹ wá lọ gbogbo 8, àbẹ́ tún lọ táṣẹ́rẹ́ sí. Gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó wà ńlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa build tẹ́ ṣe máa support àwa ìran Yorùbá ni. Òun ni kó jẹ yín lógún. Kéré o ọmọ ìran Yorùbá. Wọ́n ní majority àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tí wọ́n tà sí òwò ẹrú lọ́dún gbẹ̀yìngbẹ̀yìn tí wà tèmi ti gbọ́ history. Wọ́n náà ti ṣetán láti padà sí ilé o, wọ́n bọ̀ nílé ilé bàbá wọn. Ilé bàbá ọmọ kì í bọmọ lẹ́rù wọlé, òun ni mo gbọ́, àbí wọn náà gbọ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ń sìn? A lè kó àwọn tó ń bọ̀ látòkè òkun, wọ́n lè máa bọ̀ nílé. Ṣé wọ́n lè wálé? Ṣé ilé tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ti sọ wá di oúnjẹ ẹyẹ tó ń fi wá fìdí ẹyẹ gún? Tó jẹ́ pé àtẹnitẹ̀ tó bá ti wù wọ́n láti wá kọ́kọ́ tó gbé kéye àṣà tó gbélé jẹ, ó ń gbé lọ nìyẹn. Oníkálùkù á máa wò ní. Àwọn nọ́dánà ti sọra wọn di igu, wọ́n ti sọra wọn di nǹkan míì, wọ́n kàn ń gbé wa bí ìgbà tí àgbọ́mọ ẹdìyẹ ni, ẹdìyẹ ń fò hì. Tí ò bá wá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, kí lọ̀nà àbáyọ? A ní ká wá ṣàlàyé fún yín ni bàbá Tinubu, torí ẹ ti jẹ́ kó yé wa pé bí tí Buhari hendi tiẹ̀ sí lẹ máa continue. Lára iṣẹ́ tí Buhari dẹ̀ ṣe ni wípé ó ń fi owó Nàìjíríà, ó fi build reluwé láti inú Nàìjíríà lọ sí Niger, ṣẹmọye tó cost. Ó dẹ̀ tún mú òbítíbitì owó fi build Niger fún àwọn nọ́dánà ẹgbẹ́. Àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò wọ́n máa ti pàdé àpòpọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ Cameroon o. Wọ́n máa ń wá bó ṣe máa build country wọn Biafra o. Yorùbá, how market? Bàbá Tinubu, ẹ̀yin ni ó bù wá lásìkò yìí. Ẹ sì ṣàánú, bó bá ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tá ṣẹ̀yìn, àníkà ẹ ṣàánú. Ẹ ṣàánú. Àwọn tó bọ̀ lé kán rí lédè sí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí oníkálùkù nínú Nàìjíríà kó lè fèsì àwọn people yìí enough. Ẹ má sọ wá di ọmọ ẹdìyẹ tí àṣà ń gbé látẹnità ìtẹ́bí bá ti ń pa á. Torí nǹkan tí mo rí bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Àwa dàbí ìgbà tí àṣà bá wá wọlé tó ṣe yìí tó mú ọmọ ẹdìyẹ, ó gbé ẹdìyẹ ń fò sókè, àṣà ti lọ sókè, kò sí kankan. Kò sí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tí wọ́n pa tó ní justice inú. For how long? Àṣírí dẹ̀ ti wá tú nísìn. Àwọn nọ́dánà ti jẹ́ kán mọ ìdí gan-an tí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ pa ìran Yorùbá run. Ọmọ Yorùbá, etí inú lè jò lò. Mo fẹ́ kó wá tẹ̀lé mi wá wo fídíò kó wá gbọ́ ìdí gan-an tí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ pa ìran Yorùbá run kí wọ́n lè gba ilẹ̀ wa. Èyí tí kò dẹ̀ yé wọn ni wípé àwa ni Ọlọ́run jogún ilẹ̀ yẹn fún. Ilẹ̀ wa ní ìran Yorùbá, ẹ ò lè ṣèǹjì wa, nítorí ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe ń fẹ́ wa láya, tí wọ́n fẹ́ wa lọ́kọ. Wọ́n rò pé wọ́n lè pollute wa, nítorí ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe set divide and rule. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ apá kan ẹfun, apá kan sùn, àwọn ni wọ́n dá wàhálà sílẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tí wọ́n ń jẹ́ kí àbọ̀dẹ̀ kó wọlé sí ara ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá. Wo tẹ̀lé mi wá wo fídíò yìí, ó ṣé.
Your Excellency, the President of my country, Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu. Sir, I am calling you to use your office to do what nobody has been able to do since 1904. Have the courage to ask Nigerians to decide their own future. 3 years ago, while we were suffering in Nigeria, the former president, Buhari, was constructing a road that will link the Hausa people with the Niger. 3 years ago, while we were suffering from bad roads and bad rails, the federal government of Nigeria used Nigerians' money to create and construct a railway that leads to Niger. Yesterday, the Niger government dumped French as their national language in favor of Hausa. The Hausa people and the Fulani people are coming together. And Nigeria is an obstacle to that unity. The government should be able to make up its mind and let us decide on our own future. Should Nigeria continue to be together? Many black Americans are coming back home now. They want to come back to Africa because of the far right government of His Royal Majesty Al Capone Trump. But they cannot come to Yoruba land, even though the 75% of them that were there are from Yoruba land. They cannot come to Yoruba land because of the so-called indivisible Nigeria. forcing different tribe, forcing different ethnicity, forcing different people together under the name of Nigeria. The Northerners are trying to build their own people, build their own nation with the Niger. The Cameroonians are doing their own with some part of Igbo land. We have nothing in common with these people with murderous intention.
Yorubas are the most tolerant people, tolerant tribe, tolerant language in Nigeria. Like it or not, Yoruba is the best language in Nigeria. No language is superior or inferior to another language. But when you talk about coming together, living in peacefully, Yoruba are number one. Yoruba man don't care if his brother or his sister is Christian. Yoruba man don't care if his brother or his sister is a Muslim. They don't do anything like religion. You can be Christian, you can be Muslim. A Yoruba person will have a brother, the same house, will be Christian, the younger sister will be Muslim, and they will live together, they will share love and harmony, they will live happiness. Yoruba people are so loved that they understand tradition. They build their culture, they build their language, they build everything about them to impress any other person. So that is why they progress in life. There is not anybody in Nigeria, no tribe in Nigeria progress like Yoruba. Even if you come in terms of football, in terms of politics, in terms of business, forget about the Nota, this thing there. Yes, the Nota hold position the most. But let's talk about their Nota politician achievement. Did they achieve anything? No. But if you come to Yoruba, these people understand that language comes first before anything. These people understand that culture comes first before anything. But I want my Northern brothers to know that this religious division they are bringing, they say this one is a Christian, this one is... No. In the South, they don't do things like that. They don't do things like that. Your tribe should come first before anything. You people have to unite irrespective of your religion. Nobody have the right to judge anybody. But you judging your brother because you people share different religion, belief, it's very scary and demonic. How can you compete with these people that respect their leaders, that respect their brother, that respect everybody irrespective of their language? Yoruba, you hardly see them travel. They don't travel because they are doing well at home. If you are doing well in your home, will you travel again? No. The only way they travel overseas, not other part of the state. You understand? Igbo too love themselves. They love their brothers too. They love themselves. But Igbo circulate and they also have religion problems too. They don't have religion problem with other tribes, but they have religion problem with their own tribe. If you are Igbo and you are a Muslim, they don't associate with you. And that should not be so. So the day Nigeria realize that religion is the key problem of why we are not developing, things will go well. And I urge my Northern brother to learn from the Yorubas. Your brother be a Muslim or be a Christian does not deny him to be your brother. Let's share love. Let there be peace. Let there be choice of religion, choice of everything. Let there be right to life. But you try to sideline some part of the people because you thought they are not the same religion with you. It's not good. Thank you so much. Please help me share this video.
Jọ nítorí ọmọ Ọlọ́run, original ọmọ ọkọ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ló máa gbọ́ àlàyé tọmọ Northerner yìí sọ torí ẹ̀ ò ní wú. Orí ẹ̀ á wú. Àbó rí gbogbo àwọn unique things tí ó ń sọ jáde tó ń pè jáde lára wa nínú ìṣe wa. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn every other tribe tó make Nigeria ni wọ́n believe wípé àmọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ń ṣe ni. Wọ́n ò sì mọ̀ wípé bí Ọlọ́run ti wá ṣe dá wa lélẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tó bá wá rí wípé gbogbo ẹ̀yà tó kù Nàìjíríà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ̀ wọ́n lójú gbogbo nǹkan Yorùbá wọ́n fẹ́ gbà ṣòtìrẹ because àwòkọ́ṣe la jẹ́ orí ni wá gbogbo nǹkan lọ́lọ́run fi kẹ́ wa pátápátá wọ́n believe wípé tí wípé yá ilẹ̀ yẹn òun ló jẹ́ ká máa hùwà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n believe wípé tí wọ́n bá gba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àwọn náà tó bá ti wá take over gbogbo bí ìwà tèmi ṣe ń ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìran ọmọ Yorùbá àwọn náà máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ torí ó wù wọ́n. Wọ́n mọ̀ wípé bí Ọlọ́run ti wá ṣe dá wa nìyẹn ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ilẹ̀ baba ti wa ni kò sí ẹ̀yà tó lè gbà láyé. I need the unity ju tàtẹ̀yìnwá lọ. Ṣe ọ̀tẹ̀ mọ́ níwọ̀n má jẹ́ ká bò sí ẹ̀ pọ̀ jù Iṣẹ́ pọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá jẹ́ àjọ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀. Ìdí nìyẹn tá ṣe ń pe bàbá Tinubu. Bàbá Tinubu ẹ má gbàgbé o. Nígbà tí Buhari wà ńbẹ̀, ó kówó Nàìjíríà tó yẹ kó fi build Nàìjíríà tí ò bá ní nǹkan tó ti wà ní mind wọn. With the support Abdul Salam àti àwọn gbogbo leaders wọn ní North, wọ́n kówó Nàìjíríà, wọ́n fi build railway line láti Nàìjíríà lọ sí Niger. Wọ́n tún fi build Niger. Àìmọye oúnjẹ tí wọ́n kó wá sí ilẹ̀ ìtọ́nà wọn ń ta láti North Niger, wọ́n lọ kó ńbẹ̀. Wọ́n jẹ́ kí ara wọn balẹ̀, wọ́n build ẹ̀ torí ọjọ́ ọ̀la, torí wọ́n mọ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe yìí, wọ́n rò wípé wọ́n á rí wa kọ́ńkà. Irọ́. Ọmọ Ìgbò lélẹ̀, àwọn àti àwọn ọmọ Cameroon wọ́n ti so papọ̀, wọ́n build Biafra. Yorùbá, ẹ má jẹ́ ká fi àmọ̀kànmọ̀kàn wa, ọ̀tẹ̀ àti tẹ̀mbẹ̀lẹ̀kun àti àbòsí tá a yàn láàyò, ẹ má jẹ́ ká fi hàn ilẹ̀ Yorùbá léèmọ̀. Rántí wípé gbogbo nǹkan tó bá nǹkan jẹ́ ní gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè ibi tó bá lọ. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yìí ṣe bẹbẹ nínú ayé ìwà tèmi. Agbórí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ajata agbépo amómi. Ajé èèyàn kó tó di pé a wá ń lọ káàkiri ìlú. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló sì wà ńbẹ̀ tí wọ́n lọ káàkiri ìlú ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n become somebody. Tó o bá wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí ọmọ Northern yẹn ṣe ní àlàyé nípa àwa ọmọ Yorùbá, ṣé o ti wá rí ìdí tí wọ́n ṣe ń gbógun tiwa, tí wọ́n ṣe rò wípé wọ́n ní láti pa wá run, wọ́n fẹ́ pa ìran Yorùbá run. Gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ yìí tọmọ Ìgbò yìí sọ, ọmọ Northern yìí tó sọ nípa wa. Wọ́n fẹ́ gbà kó become their own. Tí wọ́n mọ̀ wípé kò ṣeé ṣe, orí ò lè padà dìdí láíláí. Àwa lọ́lọ́run jogún ẹ̀ fún, bó dẹ̀ ṣe máa jẹ́ láti ìran tí ìran títí ayé bá ń jẹ́ ayé nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ló dé tí ìfẹ́ wá sọnù láàrin wa? Bàbá Tinubu ẹ dìde. Wọ́n ní over 70% àwọn tó ń padà bọ̀ ńlé ọmọ Yorùbá ni wọ́n. Ṣé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tí wọ́n ti fi wá ṣe àlejò fún àwọn àṣà Northern, òun ni wọ́n bọ̀ wá bá ni? Ṣé irú ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó wà ní àsìkò yìí ó gba irú àwọn àlejò bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Tá a bá wá build ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, bàbá Tinubu, ṣé Lagos State nìkan náà pè nílẹ̀ Yorùbá lọ́dọ̀ tẹ̀tẹ̀ yẹn ni? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Ọ̀yọ́ State? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Ògùn, Oǹdó, Èkìtì àti gbogbo ibi tó kù? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa kó gbogbo wa mọ́ra tẹ́ máa jẹ́ ká mọ̀ nǹkan tó yẹ ká ṣe. Because ẹ̀yin ni everybody bó bá bẹ́ẹ̀ bá gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ gbà ẹ̀yin lẹ́mọ̀. Ẹ̀yin ni bàbá Tinubu, ẹ̀yin ni gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá rò pé lé lórí bá ṣe wà. You are the only hope tẹ́ ẹ ní fún ìran Yorùbá ní àsìkò yìí. Ẹ má fi wá ṣàwàdànù. Ẹ má fi wá ta géèmù, torí gbogbo géèmù tó bá wù kẹ́ fẹ́ ta, gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ àṣìfù láyé. Ẹ ti àṣìfù ẹ ṣáà lè sọ pé fẹ́ dọ́lọ́hùn. Tẹ́ ẹ bá wá sọ wípé ẹ fẹ́ become the best president in the whole world. Bàbá, a jẹ́ wípé ìran Yorùbá ẹ máa fi wá ṣe sacrifice nìyẹn o. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ sì bá bàbá Tinubu sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Ìyẹn nìkan kọ́ mà kọ́. Ta ló fẹ́ làjà láàárín Nigeria military àtàwọn ọmọ Ìgbò báyìí? Wọ́n ní kó máa bọ̀, wọ́n fún wọn ní slot 1,800. Ọmọ Ìgbò ní táà. Wàláhì ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò lè yé ẹ. O ní láti wá fojú ara ẹ̀ gbọ́, wo fídíò yẹn kó fetí ara ẹ̀ gbọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
With these people with murderous intention in the name of religion. In the last 1 month alone, over 35 people have been slaughtered needlessly in Ondo State by the Fulanis. I know when we say the Fulanis, the president will say, did you see Fulanis there? The same thing is you said when my cousin, Fashion's daughter, was killed. And eventually when the criminals were apprehended and found to be Fulanis, you did not come back to withdraw your statement that your statement of defense of the Fulanis. We cannot continue to live in a situation whereby we feel like we are being forced together. We cannot continue to live in a country whereby some people will be killing us and we will just be looking like Mugun. The Nigerian entity is like a curse on the Yoruba people. You know, we don't like violence. We don't like àti ìgbádùn. But when that ọ̀rọ̀ and ìgbádùn is being undermined in the name of religion by these northern non-entities, not all of them, the religious non-entity among them, very few, but very powerful in their statement, of Islamizing Nigeria by all costs. This is why I'm saying, Your Excellency, please, give us the chance to decide the future of Nigeria by ourselves. The Fulanis, the Hausas, they are doing great by trying to march together. There is no reason why we should continue with Abdul Salam and the northern constitution imposed on us that Nigeria is indivisible. Why is it not divisible?
Speaking to you is 3,000 by some states. Some other states 2,005. Some 2,000. Some 1,005. I've left other Niger Delta states. I've told them their statistics. So let me not bring theirs. Let me talk about Akwa Ibom. As at now, Akwa Ibom is 500 plus. Why is there low patronage, low enrollment into the army by us?
If you not like Nigeria army, I'm gonna perform miracle join now. No, you to want your army again. Mona tell una Tinubu make it test say una governors, una senators. I'm gonna tell them they tell their children they join army. Make the politicians should join it. They show by example. If those politicians should they show example, we go join. Mona tell Tinubu say make test say you join army first. If you don't join army, we go join. And people should not defend one and go kill the do politics. Mona wait now. On top of that salary we know is 100,000.
Nǹkan tí ọ̀rọ̀ recruitment máa dálẹ̀ báyìí apá bàbá Tinubu mi ìrẹ́pọ̀ màkà gbogbo ẹ̀ kàn ṣáà lé kókókó ní Nàìjíríà kọ́lọ̀ ń ṣàánú ẹgbẹ́ èdè tí wọ́n fi sílẹ̀ fún bàbá Tinubu de orí bí ọmọ Yíbò ṣe máa ń pè yín nìyẹn Tinubu bàbá Tinubu àwọn ọmọ Yíbò ní kan sọ fún yín pé wọ́n fẹ́ tara yín lẹ́nu be a good leader lead by a good example wọ́n ní kẹ́ kọ́kọ́ recruit Ṣèyí àti Mọ̀mọ́ Fọláṣadé àwọn ọmọ yìí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yíbò yìí ẹ bí calm down ẹ take it easy pẹ̀lú bàbá Tinubu ẹ má já okùn ẹ̀mí wọn ẹ wo ní ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yíbò lẹ fẹ́ já okùn gògóńgò bàbá Tinubu lórí rògbòdìyàn yìí ló wá di wípé kí Ṣèyí Tinubu kọ́kọ́ lead àwọn máa wá follow ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn náà dẹ̀ fẹ́ máa make sense eléyìí tí Ṣèyí kan tiẹ̀ ń kulẹ̀ bọ̀ yìí bóyá tó nǹkan bá tiẹ̀ wá after all ṣebí àwọn ọmọ Britain àwọn ìjọba wọn ní Charles àárí gbogbo wọn la ṣáàrí tó ń lọ wájú ogun ẹ wò ẹ bá wa kó kíní tá à ń wí ẹ wọ kákí sọ́run Ṣèyí jàre kó gbé kíní tàtàtà dání àwọn ọmọ Yíbò yìí ṣá wọ́n ní ká lọ sọ fún àwọn senator number 3 Senator Akpabio the Igbo brothers they say me I tell you now the message I dey pass as they no gree go join army recruitment the new recruitment for Nigeria they say me we tell you now all the senator number 3 number 4 Tinubu I don pass the message to Baba Tinubu they say me you bring your own children make dem come lead make dem recruit them na that time they go come follow as una be leader make una lead by a good example number 2 wá bí bàbá Ṣètìmá wọ́n ti sọ fún yín ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́ Yorùbá the Igbo brother they tell you na something na the message I dey send to you they say before they go join that army recruitment they say make you first of all put all your children for front make they see them like this they will come join àbírọ́ ni wọ́n ní gbogbo ẹ̀yin gómìnà wọ́n ní ká lead by good example kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àwọn ọmọ yín àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kakí sí wọn lọ́rùn ìgbà yẹn ni gbogbo wa máa join decision yìí dẹ̀ wá dá wọn join ká bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wá decide yẹn ṣe jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ká kúkú unite ká decide ká face àwọn leader yìí once and for all tá bá lè mú decision yẹn tá face wọn yìí pé ẹni maku ẹni maku once and for all may we do am wàláì gbogbo wọn á wọgbó lọ ṣebí àwọn tí ọjọ́ sí ní ìlú wo nìyẹn ná inú agbóge ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ wọ́n lọ bá àwọn ẹlẹgbẹ́ wọ́n lọ bá àwọn jọ ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ wẹ́wẹ́ bóyá inú oko kòkó láwọn leaders wa máa gbà lọ this time tẹ́ bá súnmọ́ otí odò olúwẹ̀rí agbẹ́yìn máa gbóòjò ká lé wọn pa wo ṣàlàyé mi yẹn ṣó ń yí ẹ má jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ jù má gbàgbé láti bá mi share fídíò èyí tó kù tí mi fi sí ìwọ náà bá mi drop ẹ sí the comment section má sì gbàgbé láti bá mi like ẹ support my brand gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bá mi support mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín God bless you mo remain yèyé dára kòwé kó ẹ̀rọ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kòwé. Drop your comments. Ire o.